What can I say except you're welcome? For the tides, the sun, and the sky. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. I'm just an ordinary demiguy. You're welcome,
Kid, honestly, I could go on and on. I could explain every natural phenomenon. The cloud, the grass, the ground. No, that was Maui just messing around. I killed an eel, I buried its guts. Sprouted a tree, now you got coconuts. What's the lesson? What is the takeaway? Don't mess with Maui when he's on a breakaway.
You're welcome for the wonderful world. You know it's okay. You're welcome.